What brings you here to RideSmart COTA?
Let's face it, I mean, how many opportunities do you get to ride at a world-class facility? I've been riding my whole life, been racing for over 20 years, been to a lot of these events. This is really one of the best ones I've been to. And the track's great, very well organized, facilities are unbelievable, people are great, and just having a great time. This track is amazingly fast, but incredibly safe. It's a great first track, and it's very challenging for the guys that are really fast.